Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the series which we have started for IBPS A4 mains exam, that is agriculture. And today this is lecture number 29 in that series, and we are going to do few important MCQs based on poultry breeds, that is various breeds of poultry that are in vogue. So friends, I have one more announcement. We at EduTap, we have launched courses for IBPS A4 2020-21, and as I have promised, we have launched the courses for IBPS A4 mains 2020-21, and you can find the links to the demo courses as well as payment links in the description box below. So you can go through that and avail the offer. So friends, here comes the first question, which says which of the following breeds of poultry is used in cockfighting? And here Asil is the one that is used in cockfighting in general, and the various characteristics of Asil, they are: it is skilled in fighting, and here this is originated from Chittagong and Comilla district of Bangladesh, and they are big size, sedulous and very hardy, and the body structure is so very well built that it's strong, and as you can see here, their neck and legs are very long, which aid them in for fighting purposes. And they're very famous for their meat production rather than eggs, because they are very small sized and they lay only very few eggs in a year. Their feathers are black, red, either mixed colored, and head crest is also very small, which is a pea comb. See, there are various types of combs, of which this particular breed Asil, it has pea comb. This is the comb. And here an adult rooster, it can weigh about 3 to 4 kgs, and whereas the hen, it can weigh somewhere between 2.5 to 3 kg. So friends, next question, which of the following are the American poultry breeds? See, there are four major classes of breeds in poultry. One is Asiatic, that is, it includes India; Mediterranean, the other is American, and the fourth is English or the European. And here the RIR, that is Rhode Island Red, Wyandotte, New Hampshire, Plymouth Rock, these are all American poultry breeds. And as you can see, this is a Rhode Island Red, which is hardy in nature, and it is useful for all purposes, that is for eggs and meat. But yes, they are good layers as well, with large brown shelled eggs, and the quality and yield of flesh is also excellent. Whereas Wyandotte, it is good for dual purpose of egg and flesh, but it is more used as for meat only. And but yes, it lays well. And as you can see here, this is a photograph of Wyandotte, and the body of this breed is comparatively round, a short beak, and a rose comb. The shape of this comb is rose. And New Hampshire rectangular when compared to less rectangular when compared to Rhode Island Red, that is RIR, and it has deep chestnut red. These have single comb. As I have mentioned, there are various types of combs. We have already covered that in our course as part of the course. So of which it has single comb. These are all again good layers with large brown shelled eggs, and these again are hardy in nature. Next is Plymouth Rock. These have excellent flesh and egg producing capacity, and this is one of the most popular poultry breed in America. And this body is long, but yes, it has a prominent breast, with it is also single combed. And there are various varieties that have been developed, or various breeds that have been again developed from this Plymouth Rock, like bird, buff, blue, white Colombian, silver pencil, partridge, etc. So friends, here comes the next question, which says which of the following is the pure breed of poultry in India? And here Busra is the one that is a pure breed. Rest of them are either crosses or the developed breeds. So friends, as I mentioned earlier also, only few are pure breeds, of which Busra is one. The others are Asil. We have already discussed about this. And what are the various popular varieties of Asil? One is Pila, Yakub, Nuri, Kagar, Chitta, Java, Sabja, Tikar and Reza. These are the various other breeds, developed from Asil. Next is Chittagong. It again is a dual purpose bird, also known as Malay, and it is also a pure breed, pure Indian breed. Next is Kadaknath, which is famous because of its black color, which is due to black pigment deposition, that is melanin. And comb, wattles, tongue, they are purple, and even the inner muscles, everything, they are dark black in color, various degrees of black in color in fact. Busra, it's a poor layer, but yes, medium sized bird, deep bodied, light feathered, and they're alert in nature. So these are the various pure breeds of Indian poultry. So friends, here comes the next question, which says which of the following is correct about poultry breeds native place? And here, as you can see, Jarsim Jharkhand, Pratapdan Rajasthan, Kamrup Assam, all these are correct combinations. That is, Jarsim is from Jharkhand, Pratapdan is from Rajasthan, and Kamrup is from Assam. And these are all the poultry breeds developed by various institutions like Jarsim. It is a dual purpose breed and breed suitable especially for Jharkhand state, and it has been developed under AICRP, that is All India Coordinated Research Project on Poultry Breeding, Birsa Agriculture University, Ranchi. And here the name Jharsim is derived from Jhar, from Jharkhand, and Sim, which means hen in their tribal dialect, one of their languages. And Pratapdhan, it again is a dual purpose chicken variety developed as part of again AICRP on poultry breeding by MPUAT Udaipur, and Pratapdhan, it can produce somewhere around 161 eggs annually. Kamrup, it is from again dual purpose variety of free range farming in Assam, and this again has been developed under AICRP project on poultry breeding at Assam Agriculture University, Khanapara, Guwahati, Assam. And again the annual egg production is 180 into 130, but all these are they can be specifically bred in those particular locations only. So friends, next comes is which of the following is the Mediterranean poultry breed? As I have mentioned, there are only majorly 4 classes, of which Mediterranean class is one, and here of all these, Minorca is the one which is a Mediterranean poultry bird. And here this is domestic chicken originating from the Mediterranean island of Minorca, which is in Spain. It is a medium size, uniformly glossy, greenish black plumage, and cocks, they are generally 2.8 kgs and hence 2.2. And here they are layers as well, and at 26 weeks of age, they start laying eggs, about 120 white eggs per annum. So friends, here comes the answer of the day, the most awaited section of our lecture. And in the last lecture, I had asked you a question. The most commonly used value of growing degree days. See, this is one of the weather based indicator to assess the crop development, and it usually ranges from 4.2 to 12.5 degrees centigrade for various different crops. But yes, most commonly used value is 6 degree centigrade. So friends, here comes the question of the day, and question is which breed of poultry is commonly known as the Indian game? See, this is not an Asiatic class poultry. That's a hint I'm giving you, and but that has been adapted well to Indian conditions, so well that it has got a nickname, that the Indian game. So thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please write to us at hello@edutype.co.in, and if you have any queries, you can even reach us at the number given here. Thank you very much.